Do you know at what temperature human flesh starts to cook? The world is in the grips of a dangerous heat wave. In Jeff Goodell's book The Heat Will Kill You First, Life and Death on a Scorched Planet, he explains over 46 degrees we start to cook on a cellular level. Over 2 billion people living around the equator are currently seeing new all-time records of sustained 50-degree temperatures. Let's face reality, millions of people are living without adequate structures or infrastructure to cope with these weather events. So how to cool billions of people without further heating the planet, having to rely on air conditioning from overworked existing electrical infrastructure? In meteorology, the diurnal temperature variation is the difference between high day temperatures and low night temperatures within a 24-hour period. Kavitat was designed to take advantage of these day-night temperature changes to save energy and collect and store resources. The hollow modular tubes are designed to act as a conduit for affordable technology. With a few dollars of tech inside, these tubes enable such activities as harvesting, condensation, smart farming, energy collection and much more. These can be manipulated and monitored remotely, creating controllable microclimates to minimize the effects of temperature variations. Climate change is very demographic, it affects everybody. Talk to us about a Kavitat setup near you. Kavitat, a triple impact project.